This is where a professional registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent comes into play. They act as your reliable point of contact with the state, ensuring that all crucial documents are received promptly and handled securely. They provide a physical address in the state where your business is registered, maintain regular business hours to accept deliveries, and then forward these documents to you, often with same-day scanning and instant notifications. This service is invaluable for maintaining good standing with the state, protecting your privacy by allowing you to use their address on public records, and simply giving you peace of mind to focus on what you do best, running your business. But beyond just being a legal necessity, choosing the right registered agent can make a significant difference in your entrepreneurial journey. Some services are purely transactional, offering the bare minimum. Others, like Northwest Registered Agent, differentiate themselves through their commitment to customer support, privacy, and a more holistic approach to business services. They understand that entrepreneurs need more than just a mailing address. They need a partner who can provide guidance and support as their business grows. So, how do you tap into this expertise? How do you get in touch with Northwest Registered Agent when you have questions about your business formation, compliance, or just need general advice? That's precisely what we're here to discuss today. We'll dive deep into the various ways you can contact Northwest Registered Agent, explore their unique approach to customer service, and highlight why their corporate guides are more than just typical support staff. Let's cut to the chase and get you the information you need. The primary and most direct way to contact Northwest Registered Agent is by phone. Their dedicated customer service line is 509-768-2249. This is their main number, and it's widely published across their website and various business directories. When you call this number, you're not just getting a call center agent reading from a script. Northwest Registered Agent prides itself on what they call corporate guides. These are experienced professionals who are trained to provide in-depth assistance with a wide range of business-related questions, from the nuances of LLC formation to ongoing compliance requirements. Their phone lines are typically open Monday to Friday, from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time, which translates to 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. While they don't offer 24/7 phone support, their extended weekday hours are designed to accommodate business owners across different time zones in the U.S. It's important to note these hours, especially if you're on the East Coast or in a different part of the world, to ensure you call during their operating times for immediate assistance. Beyond direct phone calls, Northwest Registered Agent offers several other convenient ways to get in touch. Firstly, email is a reliable option for less urgent inquiries or when you need to send detailed information. You can reach them at sales@northwestregisteredagent.com for sales-related questions or general inquiries. For existing clients or more technical support, you might find specific email addresses within your online account dashboard or by asking a corporate guide. The beauty of email is that it allows you to articulate your question thoroughly and provides a written record of the communication. Northwest Registered Agent aims to respond to emails promptly, often within the same business day, with responses coming directly from your assigned corporate guide if you are an existing client. Secondly, their website, www.northwestregisteredagent.com, is a treasure trove of information and also serves as a direct contact portal. On their Contact Us page, you'll typically find a contact form. This form allows you to submit your inquiry directly through their website, providing details like your name, email, phone number, and a message. This is an excellent option if you prefer not to call or email directly, and it ensures your message is routed to the appropriate department or corporate guide. Now, while some companies offer live chat, it's worth noting that Northwest Registered Agent has historically focused more on their direct phone and email support through their corporate guides. They emphasize providing a more personalized and in-depth interaction rather than quick, often superficial, chat responses. This commitment to human interaction and expert guidance is a core tenet of their customer service philosophy. They believe that important business decisions and complex compliance questions are best addressed through direct communication with knowledgeable professionals. What truly sets Northwest Registered Agent apart in terms of contact and support is their corporate guide system. Unlike many service providers where you might speak to a different representative each time, Northwest Registered Agent strives to provide a consistent point of contact for their clients. When you sign up for their services, you're often assigned a dedicated corporate guide. This individual becomes your go-to person for all your business needs and questions. This means they get to know you and your business, providing more personalized and effective assistance over time. This kind of relationship builds trust and significantly streamlines the problem-solving process. Their corporate guides are not just customer service representatives. They are genuinely knowledgeable about business formation, state regulations, and ongoing compliance. They can help you with everything from understanding annual report requirements to clarifying registered agent responsibilities, and even offering advice on more complex business identity services like acquiring an EIN, mail forwarding, or virtual office solutions. This level of integrated support makes contacting Northwest Registered Agent feel less like a chore and more like consulting with a trusted business advisor. It's also worth highlighting that Northwest Registered Agent is known for its transparency. They don't hide their contact information deep within their website. Their phone number is prominently displayed, often at the top or bottom of every page on their website, underscoring their commitment to accessibility. This transparency extends to their pricing and services, with a clear flat fee for their registered agent service and no hidden upsells, which can be a common frustration with other providers. So, whether you're looking to form a new LLC, need to change your registered agent, have a question about service of process, or just want to understand the ongoing compliance requirements for your business, reaching out to Northwest Registered Agent is straightforward. You have their primary phone number, email options, and a convenient contact form on their website. And when you do connect, you can expect to engage with a corporate guide who is equipped to provide not just answers, but valuable insights to help you navigate the complexities of business ownership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.